Bella has officially lost her milk jug. She got it back. She lost it again because her mom knocked it out of her hand. Go get it! Oh, too deep there. Try again from a different angle. Slowing down the river. This is a tough one. Oh, retrieval. Good girl, Bella. Come here. Bring it here. Bring it here, Bella. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Go get it, Bella. Oh, no. What do we do? Oh, no. I know what to do. Good girl, Bella! I don't even do anything. It's self-fetch. She's exhausted. This is the best toy ever. I swear she does it on purpose. I swear. Oh. Oh, that was painful. Oh, somebody's injured. Oh, somebody's injured. I think my dog just broke her leg over a milk jug. Yet she's so determined and competitive. She has to go get it. Oh, I hope that's not a big medical bill. Good girl, Bella. Alright, let me go check on her. Well, her tail's still wagging. Bella, bring it here. Bring it here, Bella. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here, Bella.